In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a 90-degree corner clamp like this for your wooden clamp, like this. So what I did with this design is I basically took a piece of scrap wood. This is a very small piece, it doesn't have to be very big. Now at first I just found the middle of the block more or less. I drilled a hole through for the 90-degree corner to end up in so that you can easily put your corner pieces in there when you want to clamp it together. And I'm also going to cut the 45-degree angle in either direction. That's what I will probably do next. Now before I did this, I made these dovetail grooves with the router bit on both sides. Now the main reason, or the only reason for this, is if I take my wood clamp like this, I took off the two rubber pieces on the ends, on the jaws like this, and the idea is then that this piece would then fit in. Well, not pieces, it would be two pieces once you cut it from each other, would fit in the clamp like this into the jaws, and it'll keep it in place. So when this 90-degree corner is cut out, these two will be clamped together by the clamp, holding your 90-degree corner in place until the glue has dried, or whatever purpose you've got for it. So next thing that I'm going to do is, now that the dovetails are cut in, I'm going to take my jigsaw and cut two straight lines 90 degree out there, and just make sure with the 90-degree corner afterwards that they are exactly square, and then we'll test it. The two pieces are cut separate with the jigsaw. We'll take a square, and you can see this is a very nice 90-degree angle. Same with this one, they came out of each other, so obviously this would be a perfect 90-degree angle as well. Now if I was to, for instance, take then two pieces of wood like this is only two pieces of scrap wood that I picked up here. Get two corners like that, put the 90-degree in there, and on top we'll insert the clamp like this, tighten it, and at the bottom you'll see that there is a perfect 90-degree corner. Now obviously when you glue these together there will be glue as well, but for demonstration purposes I'm only showing you like that, a perfect 90-degree angle with these two. Now if it's not two pieces of straight wood, you can also, for instance, take two pieces of 45-degree cut corners like this. We'll put them in there together in the corner like that, put in the other 90-degree corner, push them somewhat together. Once again, put the clamp in on top. Don't tuck them, just push the two pieces together so that they join nicely. Tighten the clamp, and at the bottom once again you'll see a perfect 90-degree corner with this simple design clamp. Now this was very quick and easy to make. I simply took a piece of scrap wood, cut a 90-degree corner into it, cut two dovetail grooves in either end, and this works perfect for corners. You can make obviously more than one if you want 4 corners, and this will give you the 90-degree edge every time.